What's up, YouTube? Cat and Mouse coming back at you with a new pickup. Just released today. Got the PlayStation Classic, PlayStation Mini, however you want to say it. Sold out everywhere, of course. It's brand new sealed. I'm going to give you a first-hand look, let you know what's inside the box, what games it come with, and everything like that. So we're going to go ahead and get started right here. In the top corner, right there, USB AC adapter not included. So that means this comes with no power supply. But like with the NES and the SNES Mini, those came with it. So you can use those power supply to power up this PlayStation, or you can use a cell phone USB to power this up as well, because it's all the same connection. So this right here, that's what I was digging for. This right here is for my NES Classic AC adapter. It's the same thing as a cell phone charger. I have the Japanese version of the SNES, and I use this for that as well, because the Japanese version of the SNES didn't come with an AC adapter either. So that's a let you know. Side of the box tells you the contents. One console. It comes with 2 controllers. Instructions, of course, and it comes with an HDMI cord. That's the side of the box. And then on the back, this PlayStation comes preloaded with 20 games. Go ahead and let you see every game that's included. Battle Arena, however you say that word. Cool Borders 2, Destruction Derby, Final Fantasy 7, OG Classic, Grand Theft Auto. Everybody loves that. Odd World, Abe's Odyssey, Mr. Driller, Metal Gear Solid. A lot of people love that game. Jumping Flash, Intelligent Cube, Rayman, love that. Resident Evil Director's Cut, Revelations Persona, R4 Ridge Racer Type 4, Super Puzzle Fighter 2 Turbo, Wild Arms, Twisted Metal, Tom Clancy Rainbow Six, Tekken 3, and Spy Phone Filter. I don't know if I said that right. So that's 20 games that it comes preloaded with, which is BS, of course. They can put more games on there or choose better games, but they don't. Same with the NES and the SNES. They did the same thing. The Sega and Atari, they did more games, a little bit better games that people love, but hey, I don't work for them. Top, Sony PlayStation. Wow. There's the other side with the barcode. See how big it is right here. Let's go ahead and open this. Get this open. Comes different than the NES and SNES box. Look, can't get this out. There we go. Oh. Very hard to get out. There we go. Got that. Sit this to the side. White box. PlayStation logo. All white. Barcodes. Open this up from the bottom. Damn, another slide-in box. Another slide-in box. PlayStation. Go ahead and get to this. Okay, we got your instruction manuals. There you go. Plug it in. Now the SNES and NES came with a poster. That made it better. There we go. We got your PlayStation. Your very small PlayStation. Again, it tells you on the back of the box This doesn't play disc, or it doesn't download games. The games come preloaded. You got your reset button, power button, open button, which of course doesn't work. Then we have your 2 slots for your controllers. It says memory cards, but of course it doesn't take memory card. We got on the bottom, we got your serial number. In the back, we got your HDMI plug, and then your power cord plug. Sit this right here. Finish opening this box. Oh, the top part comes off. Then we got your HDMI cord, your AC adapter. Now your AC adapter, like I said, one end is USB, and then the other end is micro USB. So it's again, you can use a cell phone charger, cord and block to power up your PlayStation. It's all the same. Controller, it comes with 2 controllers. Now I think this is pretty neat. Now the NES and SNES, they didn't do this. You know how that was? They did, yeah, a little bit. I got the controller right here for one, actually, so you can see how their ports was black on the original Nintendo, and then the Mini, they made it like that. So this PlayStation, I think that's cool. It's made exactly how your controller was on your PlayStation. This is your USB part that plugs in to the PlayStation console. Now, I think that's pretty cool. So that's first-hand look. What's in the box? Your console, 2 controllers, HDMI cord, power cord, and some instructions. Next video is gonna be how to play, plug it up, everything like that. Go through every game, show you the scene. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace.